Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code for your treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as we used to click on the hint like in a cinema, so here today we are going to click on the hint so that the code will be applied for us and go and confirm the code in the request section. So let's click on this icon. So as you can see, like the code is JJ. So here is the code. So let's come for request so that we should import our code. So let's come for activities, always smiling mind. So let's click on start. Let's enter the code JJ. Let's click on check. So let's wait for it to be fully. So obviously the course was not JJ, the course was Joker. So let's import the code Joker. Let's click on check. So congratulations, I'll be getting the correct answer. So here it is. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.